Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this AliExpress Wahl magic clip. I mean, the golden one from AliExpress. So, I don't know if maybe it's a original or a fake one, but let's unbox it and see what's inside. If maybe it's real original or a fake one. If you know you have the original one, please leave your comment on the comment section below and tell me if maybe it's original or a fake one. Okay, so the box looks like this. Okay, as you can see. So there are two types. One is black, this one, and the other one is white. I mean the box. So I took the black one. So yeah, it's like this. You can see. I guess got 6,200 RPM and maybe 1,600 milliamp battery. I'm not that sure. And I guess also got around 100 minutes runtime. So let's open it, man. You can see. Nothing else. Just put in. So now we can open. Since 1919, the birthplace of professional clippers. It's written here. Yeah. So as you can see, this is it. Very shiny, very colorful. And the lever is not really that, it's not really gold. I mean, it's not like this color. It's a little bit gold, but different. You can see, but we'll get to that later. So now, what we got inside. So, got this one. It's for the Europeans. I live in Austria, in Europe. So, this is the charging cable. See? So, this one. So it's not going anywhere. The manual, I guess, I don't know. Okay. So, and if you want to change this thing here, you want to release it, just press this place. This thing right here. Press it. See that? That's how you release it. So here, what we got. Here we got the cards. A lot of them. Okay. See. This looks okay. I don't know if maybe it's original or fake. So you should leave your comment on the comment section below and tell me. Okay. Here we got another one. Oh, a lot of them. Okay. Side, we got a brush and oil, very small. Okay, and here we got a stand. Oh, it's a little bit heavy, really heavy. Oh, okay. Seems to be like original to me. I don't know. Very heavy. I have to say. Here is a hole here. See? So it's because of this thing here, because of the hook right here. Very nice. Nice one. Okay. And nothing else inside. Yeah. And a comb. Okay. I guess every wall clipper got this comb. So let's take this out. Now let's talk about this. So the charging port, see? So it's made in Hungary. I bought it on AliExpress. Okay, but looks good. Got black cutter blade, and it's a stagger tooth. Wait a moment. Yeah, it's a stagger tooth one. And a fade blade. You can see. So now it's not a clicky lever. So sound check, lever open. Lever close. So now let's make an RPM test. Lever open. I was charging it full, so 6,400 RPM. That's it for the unboxing of this AliExpress Gold Wall magic clip. And the next video I'm gonna try to put a brushless motor inside and then see how it is, you know. So I'm gonna make it tear down on my next video, then see if maybe it's original inside, and then change the motor to a brushless motor. So stay tuned, man. All right.